In Tokyo with Mike Fern, with the Topics Index headed for its longest winning streak in more than 21 years, and it may not be over yet. Mike Fern in Tokyo. Mike.
13 straight days of rises for the Topics. Paul, automakers leading gains, most of them higher on signs that US government handouts are persuading consumers there to start spending. Fuji Heavy selling 34% more cars and trucks than it did in July the previous year. There's Subaru cars, the cash for clunkers plan raising demand for fuel-efficient cars. Toyota and Honda sales falling by the smallest amount this year, although they did drop in double digits. Now, Fuji Heavy shares rising by 1% at the moment. Toyota up 1.2% and Honda gaining 1.3%. Different story for Nissan and Suzuki. Now, with Suzuki, it's the biggest drop in 3 months after it said first quarter profit fell by 92%. Sales were down by a third, and Nomura cut its rating on that stock to neutral. Panasonic has halved its first half loss forecast to the equivalent of $1.1 billion. Japan's government is offering cash incentives to people who buy energy-efficient appliances, a cash for fridge clunkers program. Panasonic also cutting costs. Shares at the moment trading up 1.5%. Sony up just over 0.5%. Its chief financial officer, Nobuyuki Oneda, telling the Nikkei newspaper the company may return to operating profit in its fiscal third quarter. Well, Elpida reports first quarter earnings after the market closes today. Japan's largest maker of computer memory chips may say losses widened because prices of those chips fell. Elpida is talking with Germany's Qimonda about taking over its graphics DRAM business and also hiring some of those engineers, possibly. Shares rising as much as 5% today, and year to date they're up by 124%, Paul.
OK, Mike, thank you very much.